Welcome law aspirants to this new video about Christ University. First of all, you must keep one thing in the mind. Knowing about the university is as important as preparing for the entrance test. You may think, why should we know the university before clearing that exam? Many of them would avoid this strategy, but I would say that knowing about the university has two good things. One is its opportunities and various things is a major source of motivation for your preparation, which plays a major role as a driving force for your preparation. And the second one is gives you the right awareness about the college, and it may guide you to the right decision you take. And in this video, we are going to see about Christ University. Many South Indian students would actually prefer Christ University for their legal education due to the proximity of the location. Other than that, corporate hub of our country and a metropolitan city. You may think there are many law entrances upcoming in the following months, but why should we target Christ University at the first? Even there are many topmost entrance exam like MHCT, CUT exam, but the reason for Christ University entrance exam is for first video is it's the way giver for the other major law entrances of our country. So that two ways you can use it. One, as an experience for the upcoming entrance exams, as being aware of the interview process, essay process and the entrance test process. The next one is you may even set it as a destination college for your law school journey. And let's dive into the topic. The first one is, as all you know, why should we choose this particular law school for our 5-year law journey? The first one is networking. The point of networking is very much important for a student in a law stream, and this college creates such a good platform for the power of networking, because a student is admitted to the college after rigorous admission criteria like entrance exam, which testifies his knowledge, interview for communication skill, and essay rating for his writing skill. So only the student of topmost quality in various skills would be in the benches of this university. So it's a very good thing to have a good contact with the students of a topmost productive quality members, so that it's a very good thing about networking. Then it gives space to develop your skill. As we have seen in many videos, the college timing for this university is 7 to 12. Therefore, a student studying in a law school would be after 12th being in his free time. At this time, only the student who usefully, efficiently uses the time is a topmost and top quality student after the 5-year law career path. Only the student who particularly does any running internship, which is also a point in this one, practical exposure with running internship, who join in many corporate firms and do his career path before getting into the professional career is very good thing according to the Christ University, which gives space to develop your skill like extracurriculars, like they would be engaging you in to manage a skill like cultural fest. Other than that, MUNs, moot courts, ADR, the legal competitions, all you would be actually engaged. And the important thing about this is your capability to balance academics, fest, managing skills and your life. This is a very important skill for a student studying college. And after that, this was a very good thing for a work-life balance for a very good student with a good time management skills, which is developed at the end of 5 years of the law school. Next one is discipline and brand name. Since it's one of the oldest college, which origin is 1969, it has a very good reputation in South India and as well as India. And the discipline maintained by the college is very much strong, and the students' quality is automatically very good. The next point is the location, which is in the heart of corporate Bangalore. Even the Bangalore is even a metropolitan city. That too, this college is located particularly in the center of that corporate hub. So it gives us many positive things for doing running internships by placing in a legal department of any corporate firm and improve his skills in the future career paths. The next one is, this is also a very important thing. As a student, when thinking of a college, you should be making note of all the degrees, 360 degree, you should make note of it, both pros as well as cons, everything you should make note of it, analyze it, and you should choose the college. So why should he not choose this college, Christ University? The first one is closed cut admission process. This is a very important thing most of the students would be speaking, because every university and every entrance exams are conducted in a transparent manner. They would be telling entrance exam as this much weightage, interview as this much weightage, and essay writing as this much weightage. And the major negative point of this college is they won't share anything according to this. So we don't know the right procedure of taking a student, and student cannot engage in any tips like performing well in interview or performing well in entrance exam can make you secure the seat in this college. So this is one major negative point of this college. And limited exposure at judiciary as compared to corporate. Many students who come to legal field have an ambition of getting into judiciary field. So those students have a negative point in this college. Only it's actually not impossible. It's difficult for you to engage a good alumni base in judiciary. Other than that, you have an opportunity to practice or intern in Karnataka High Court, which is also located in Bangalore. But it's quite difficult compared to other law colleges, which is specially made for judiciary. So it's actually less compared to corporate. And high cost of living. As you know, Bangalore is a place where the cost of living is too high due to the metropolitan and corporate hub of its location. So it could be also a negative point for this college. Then opportunities while studying at the Christ University. While you are doing that 5-year law course, what are the opportunities you get? You must also know about it, because choosing a right college is very much important. Moot courts. MUN, which is Modern United Nation. Other than that, ADR, Alternate Dispute Resolution, which is also similar to moot courts. Then the very important thing, form communities with quality students. As I told earlier, networking is a very important thing for a student in a law stream. And startup. With this quality students, you can actually engage in a very good startups, because with like-minded people studying around you and being around you, you could make something innovative which is not done by many other college students. And this is a very good thing. Then good internship opportunities for Christ tag, and learning by practical, participating in clubs. There are many club opportunities in this college and you can make use of it. Other than that, managing skills, extracurriculars. As I earlier told, they would be engaging you in various activities like in academic purpose, MUNs, moot courts, ADR. In unacademic purpose like cultural fest, and you would be engaged, and it's your skill to develop the balancing of academics, this fest, managing skills, and your life. And this is a very important skill. And organizing event skill. As I earlier told, you would be pushed in a hurry to organize any events. The very good thing is, if you are in a procedure of taking admission in Christ University, you would actually see that in the interview process and the skill assessment process, many students of that university would be making you to go to the particular places. Actually, the managing role is not played by professors or any special authorities in that university. It's completely played by the students of that law school. And it's a very good thing because organizing skill is very important for a student in his life. Career prospects with Christ tag. After the 5-year law LLB course, what are the career prospects you would be having? The first thing about Christ University is corporate placement. You would be having a very good corporate placement. Other than that, judiciary field. As I told, it's not impossible, but you can make a good alumni base in judiciary. And then civil service examination. You can target many state public service examination or union public service examination, legal departments, because it's a very good department according to our country's major rule-making committee. And the government legal departments like bank. In bank there are legal departments, railway there are legal departments. As I told, in Union Public Service Commission also there are legal departments, and it's a very good thing. And legal service like NGO. Some students have an ambition or stint towards servicing towards the nation for marginalized people. It's actually a good opportunity to join any NGO or create an NGO with like-minded people and do legal services. Startup community. As I earlier told, with good quality students and like-minded people, you could actually make a very good startup and opportunity in this college. Research and writing field. Like you may note in editorial paper of The Hindu newspaper and Indian Express newspaper, and sometimes you may note the scholars or students or even the professors from Christ University would be making research articles or editorials in that page. Next important thing, a law student who is after 12th and between his gateway to his college should know what are the courses available in that college. Now one course is BLLB, which is Arts with Law. The another one is BBLLB Honors, Business Administration with Law. You may ask me, what's the major difference of this? The only thing is the both courses has law field, but the only difference is with arts and business administration. You may have conventional arts courses, and here you will be having courses regarding to business administration. The major difference is that's the traditional and old course from a year of 1987 it's available, and it's actually a new course developed from our country and the legal department of our nation. And I would say BLLB is actually provided by many NLUs, National Law Universities. Majorly they provide BLLB honors. Even if you see the top law schools of our country, NLSIU, Bangalore, Nalsar, Hyderabad, they are just providing the only 5-year LLB course, BLLB. So many students have a priority of having BLLB honors as their career prospect. And the one thing you must know is in some colleges, most colleges, BLLB honors is actually a more competitive course compared to BBLLB honors, because students mostly prefer to have BLLB as their career prospect. And the campuses of Christ University are 3. One is Bangalore campus, Pune campus, and Delhi campus. My recommendation is don't target these down law schools. Target only the Bangalore campus, because as you may see, both colleges are only for a good lifestyle or a luxury campus, not oriented to the education. But the central campus of Christ University Bangalore is the old campus and the good legal education, and it's the most demanded and competitive law school of a country in the Christ University departments. And you should know one thing, that only the top students get qualified or get offer letter for Christ University Bangalore, but more than 100 times the students of Pune and Delhi are getting offer letter. A student from very low mark even gets offer letter from Pune and Delhi. So don't consider Pune and Delhi because of its luxury lifestyle and low quality. We cannot say as low quality education, but unaware education. You may not get the same level of quality students for a good networking. As you have completely overviewed the details about the Christ University in a 360-degree manner, because a student must aware about the university he joined very well to select a right path, and as I told, a source of motivation for his productive working manner. And the next video is about the major thing to qualify into that college. What is Christ University selection process and how to crack it? This is the important thing, and you must keep one quote at this time in the mind: opportunities don't happen, you must create them. So that keep this quote in the mind, work hard and smart in the right path to get into the right law school. And don't think Christ University should just be an experience. Keep in the mind that it's a destination, and after getting offer letter, you could go for the next plan C for a better law school other than the Christ Law School, like CUTE and Maharashtra Cell Internships. Until now, stay tuned for the upcoming video about the major thing about our entrance exam and the selection process. Thank you.